in our class today, what we taught was figure eights. We'll show you what that looks like.
We're going to start with right to right.
1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6, 5 and 6, 5 and 6, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Then we went into the struts. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. We'll show you from the other direction. We'll go this way. So we started right to right. Dick, you're on.
Okay, I'm going to walk into the shoulder.
2, 3, and 4. Now we're going to count it 5 and 6, 5 and 6, 5 and 6, 5 and 6. We're going to anchor 7 and 8, 7 and 8.
Now I'm going to set up a left side pass. I'm going to split the lead.
1, 2,
And go to
3,
struts.
and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Step down on 9.
I know I'm going to go out now 9. I'm going to go 10, 11, and 12. Okay, there's a couple of things we can go over. One is he's going to bring me in.
I have to be careful to lead the figure eights right away as soon as she walks in.
1, 2, 3, and 4.
Right now,
I think I'm going to go straight, but he leads me
I go like this.
5 and 6.
Notice I'm going to the shoulders, not over her head.
And notice that I can either do a coaster step right here, coaster step, or I can just split my feet like this. It doesn't matter. And we counted at 5 and 6, so we went 5 and 6, because we're repeating the same thing over and over. 5 and 6.
Left up and over.
7 and 8.
And in the class we did a sunburst. If you want to just make this a standalone set of moves, 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's one option. Or we went to the crossed hands.
And we'll do it from here, just so you have a better view of it.
Okay, so I just did my 5 and 6 after I got out.
7 and
7 and 8 rather. Okay, 2 walks in for this. I split the lead and go to strut position.
1, 2, 3, and 4.
Tuck her in really tight to me. Then I cross over on 5, 6, 7, 8. Now on count 9, I stop traveling forward. I set a hard lead with my left hand, step down with my right foot. That stops me from going forward. I'm going to give a gentle pull on this
10,
step.
11, and 12.
Takes me out to 12. Let's do that again, and we'll just show you how that goes together. All right, I've got
1, 2, 3,
and
and
she's
4,
tight.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
10,
10, 11, and 12.
I would end with a sugar push.
I'm going to show you this because Dick always says the guy has to walk like a crab. I'm going to show you the guy's footwork. He's going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4. He has me tucked in.
Now I'm going to lead with my left shoulder going that direction. And I can do that and still travel. As she goes out, I cross over, step down, cross over, step down. She's away, she's tucked in. Away, tucked in.
So let's do it this way. Here I was on count 4.
That's 4. Here's 5. 6.
In, out, in, out. Okay? Anyway, that's what we taught today, Wednesday, November 20th. See you later. Bye-bye.